Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Elara. I have fantastic news for everyone who loves Chinese or wants to learn Chinese. I am a native Chinese speaker, and I am starting a complete, systematic Chinese learning series. We will start from Pinyin, the very foundation, and go all the way to the most difficult but also the most interesting part, Chinese idioms. Let me give you a full introduction to this course. First, what should you pay attention to when learning Chinese? Chinese is very difficult from most Latin alphabet languages. The good news is that Chinese grammar is very simple. So in this course, we will not focus too much on boring grammar. But you need to be prepared. Learning Chinese does require you to memorize many words and characters. Don't worry, I will make this process as easy and fun as possible for you. Second, is Chinese difficult? Actually, it depends. For friends from East Asia, especially Japan, you're already used to character-based writing systems. Many Japanese kanji are similar to Chinese characters, so you will find it much easier. For friends from Western countries, you need to change your language habits and accept a completely new system. It is not super easy, but it is incredibly interesting. You will discover a whole new colorful world through learning Chinese. Trust me. Third, let's talk about the Chinese language system. Chinese includes modern Chinese and classical Chinese. Classical Chinese was used in ancient times for daily life, work, and communication. Modern Chinese is completely enough. Modern Chinese has two writing forms: traditional Chinese used in Hong Kong, Macau, Taiwan, and simplified Chinese used in Chinese mainland, which is the official standard. Chinese also has many dialects, such as Cantonese and Sichuan dialect. But in this course, we will learn Standard Mandarin, the international standard Chinese, which can simplify almost all your communication needs. In my course, I use my unique teaching method. You will learn Chinese just like playing a game. We will starting with basic pinyin. For vocabulary and characters, we will follow HSK level 1 to level 6. I will use many fun and effective ways to help you learn. After taking this course, you will no longer fight with Chinese. You will fall in love with it. We will practice pinyin together, writing characters, make sentences, and truly master them. By then, you will be able to communicate in daily life, watch Chinese videos, travel, study, or work in Chinese environments. This course is for total beginners. You don't need to have any Chinese foundation. I will guide you step by step from zero to fluent. If you want to learn Chinese in a fun, clear, and systematic way, follow me and don't miss any lesson. Are you ready? I'm already very excited. I don't know about you. Shit, this is fucking impossible.